Hello. This is an example of how the invoice emailing will work in the Clarion 10 upgrade of the Direct Systems software. The Clarion 10 looks slightly different, but it has all the same functionality as the SQL version. And so from accounts receivable, we're going to go into transactions, print invoices, billing invoices, and this works the same as you would normally be sending invoices from customer service dispatch or from storage manager or from commercial records. So this beginning part will look familiar for whichever module you are sending invoices from. Then in accounts receivable, click on print all invoices, select the format, begin, and then you still want to choose the printing format because some of these may not be being emailed, some of them will still be printed. Click on Begin Report, and the next screen is going to show us a report preview. This is where you could print all of the invoices in one go, or you could email all of the invoices to someone within your own company. This is not where you would send them to your customers. This would just be for sending this report to somebody. When you're done doing what you want to do on this screen, you would close that, and then you come up with the somewhat familiar mark all invoices as printed, but now it's called email and mark all invoices as printed screen. And when you click on this part of the button here, it goes off and generates an email for each individual invoice that you've created that's going to go to that individual email that's set up in the customer name file of that customer. And so it is going through a screen for every invoice that it creates. And then you end up with this screen that shows you a list of invoices. This is the first one on the list, and then you can click on the next one and make sure that the email is correct. Basically, it's pulling through the header and footer from the way that you've configured it to begin with that I do walk you through. And then it basically updates with the number of the invoice for whichever invoice number it is. So you'll notice that the first invoice is number 140, but this next invoice is 143. Then we have number 144. And so it sets up based on how you've set up the configuration. Now in this particular print run, it is just sending to email setup customers. So there are no print aspects of this one. So when we click on send, it's automatically send. I know it has my email on all of them, but that's because it's a test account. These would be different customer emails in the to field for each of the different emails within this list. So, but in this case, they're all going to me. So when I click on send, it goes through the process of actually sending those emails to those particular customers. Then you will see the status in this column here, update with a green tick. And once that's done, all of those invoices have been emailed or printed if you were printing as well. And when you click close and OK, your print current invoices screen will remove all of your current invoices that have just been sent or printed. I hope that's helpful. And if you have any questions, please do get in touch and we'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.